we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Fichiouy modern portable camping stove, with 2-tier storage rack and wind blocking cover. Highlight features or overview summary, that's include: enough storage space. Our stainless steel gas stove equipped with the 19.3 x 19.3 inches 2-tier storage rack can be used to place fruits, vegetables, spice jars and more, which is convenient for your cooking without a frantic search for items and provides you with a clean and comfortable cooking environment. High efficiency stove. With 4 powerful burners, 4 simple control knobs, a manual ignition method, and an LNG power source, this gas stove can handle almost any cooking task with easy operation and high efficiency. The burners can accommodate most pots and pans, and its 2-tier rack design offers ample storage space and facilitates your cooking. Wind shield. This 4-burner stove has wind shield, which can effectively resist wind and improves the stove's efficiency, so you can cook near the window with confidence. It can also protect the burners from dust when they are not in use. And the PVC non-slip feet at the bottom can ensure stronger stability without slipping and scratching the floor. Simple operation. With 4 rotary knobs, you can manually ignite the gas stove and rotate them left and right to adjust the fire size, which is easy to operate and can also meet your different cooking fire requirements. We also provide you with an English manual for reference. With 4 burners with independent switch knobs for adjusting fire power, you can cook different ingredients at the same time, enjoy more delicious food, and save cooking time. Easy to clean. The stove's generous and modern appearance is enhanced by its square frame, versatile white color, and smooth lines, and complements your room decor. The smooth surface, detachable rack, and dust-proof cover design allow for easier cleaning. You simply wipe oil and dust away with a wet cloth and a little detergent. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.